Hi and welcome to the library. My name is Sarah and today we're going to be making a fantastic 3D Christmas tree craft. So everything you need is in the craft kit that you can collect from the library this week. If you haven't had a chance to collect a craft kit, don't worry. All the materials that you'll need are available at any newsagents or reject shop or any craft supply store. So what do you need? We will need a green sheet of paper, a piece of card, so this can be black or any other colour that you like. We're going to be using black today. Lots in the pack. And we're going to need some Christmas stickers, a piece of yellow card, and a piece of red card. We're also going to need a ruler, a pair of scissors, some glue, a pencil, and some light coloured pencils or crayons. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is our green piece of paper. So we'll put our card to the side. So this is a rectangular piece of paper, but we need to make it into a square. This is pretty easy to do. All we need to do is fold the short side of the paper to meet the long side of the paper, like so. And this will form a triangle. There we go. Now taking our ruler, we're going to rule a line at the base of our triangle, like so, with our pencil. And then we're going to cut that out. Now please remember that scissors are sharp and you should be using them with supervision if you're little. This is a great craft to practice our cutting techniques because all the cuts are going to be straight today. So we're going to cut across the bottom of our triangle, and making sure that our fingers are well out of the way. There we go. Okay, so that's our triangle. We'll put away this piece because we won't need that. Now what we're going to do is grab our ruler again and our pencil. Now I'm going to use a marker just so it's easier for you to see, but it's a good idea to use a pencil or something that doesn't make very much of a mark to do this bit. All right, so we're going to rule a line about 1 centimetre from the folded side of our triangle. So all the way down, like so. There we are. Now we're going to turn our triangle so the bottom is a straight line across the bottom, and we're going to draw 1 centimetre marks all the way up the paper, like so. So we're going to put our ruler here, about 1 centimetre from the bottom, and draw a line. Move our ruler about 1 centimetre up, and do that all the way up. Now you don't have to be terribly accurate with this, but if you want to, you can mark the 1 centimetre marks all up this side and follow that guide. Now this is a really good activity for practicing your cutting because you don't actually have to be completely straight with your lines when you're cutting. It'll still look okay if your lines are all wibbly wobbly. So we're going to go all the way up to the top. An awful lot of lines. There we go, almost there. I think one more. There we go. So your piece of paper should look like this. Taking your pair of scissors again, we're going to cut along these lines, making sure to stop at this line that we drew along the edge. So here we go. One. Now you can make these lines a little bit thicker if you want, and that will just give you a chunkier looking tree. Make sure you move your fingers out of the way as you cut up your tree. There we go. Nearly done. Snip and snip. All right, we're done. So we're going to fold out our triangle. Being careful not to rip our paper. Oh, it's very tricky. There we go. So it almost looks like a tree now, doesn't it? It's like a diamond tree. So now we're going to glue this to our card. So we're going to turn it over. And we're going to run a line of glue along the spine there. So take our glue stick, line of glue all the way along. And we're going to stick that down in the middle of our card, like so. Okay, so here's the magic bit. We're going to turn this into a Christmas tree. Grabbing our glue again, we're going to put a line of glue down the centre. Lots and lots of glue. Now, if you don't have any glue, you can use double-sided tape for this, and it's a little bit less messy to do it that way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the ends of our flaps into the middle. So, down to the bottom of the point of the triangle. So one side first, and then the other. We're going to alternate sides. One side, and then this side. And where the glue is wet, you can sort of smush them around until they sit nicely. There we go. This side. Then this side. Can you see our Christmas tree taking shape? Now, if you run out of glue, you can always add a little bit to the end and then glue that piece down. You'll need lots of glue for this. Oh, there you go. Just like there, actually. I just ran out of glue on that side. So we'll pop some on the end. Pop that into place. There we go. You can see some of my lines are a little bit thinner than others. Some are a bit thicker, and that's okay because that makes a more natural looking tree. Up we go. Nearly there. These end ones are easy, just fold them in like so. There we go. Okay, so we'll flatten the branches just a little bit. Okay, so we've got a tree. That's not yet a Christmas tree. We have to decorate it. And we're going to use our card and our stickers to do that. So we're going to take our red card and we're going to make a little pot to put at the bottom of our tree. Now, you can make a quite easy pot by just doing some lines like so along the bottom. We've got a square pot. If you want to be a little bit more fancy, we can use the end of our glue stick to do some curved lines and make a curved pot. So we're just going to put that at the edge of our card and draw some curved lines on either side and then join them up at the bottom. So let's cut out both of these shapes and see which one we like the best. So we're going to do our angled shape. and welcome to the library. My name is Sarah and today we're going to be making a fantastic yellow card, circles, and cut those out of a white piece of paper. So we've got some of our blue stickers, and green stickers. Oh, Christmas tree, da 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 da. Do you have a favourite song that you sing every year when you decorate your Christmas tree? There we go. Oh, that's looking better already. All right, now we need a star for the top of our Christmas tree. So we're going to take our yellow card, and we're going to make a star. Now there's a bit of a trick to this. Actually, I'll grab my marker so you can see what I'm going to do. We're going to need 5 little dots. 1 dot at the top, 2 dots at the side, and 2 dots just underneath those. And we're going to join those together with some straight lines. So we're going to draw a straight line from this dot to this dot, 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 and finally from this dot to this dot, and we have a star. Let's cut that out. It's an easy way of making stars. There we go. Now taking some glue, I'm going to glue this to the top of our Christmas tree. There we are. Now to finish up, we're going to make a starry Christmas night. To do that, we're going to need some light coloured pencils or crayons. Now if you've used a light card, you can draw some Christmas presents underneath your Christmas tree, or some other Christmas trees around your Christmas tree, or a fireplace, whatever you like really. We're going to do a few stars to make a starry night. And the trick with this is to make some big stars, some medium-sized stars, and some tiny, tiny stars. Because not all the stars in the night sky are the same size. There we go. Oh, and one big one here. Oh, my pencil just broke. It's all right, I've got a crayon. There we go. And I'm going to write a message on my card to my mum, I think. So, to Mum, Merry Christmas. Love, Sarah. And there we have it, our 3D Christmas tree. Who are you going to give yours to this Christmas? Well, thank you so much for joining us today. If you do have a craft pack, there are a lot more crafts inside the pack. There is a Christmas recipe for fantastic brownie crackle biscuits. There's also some colouring books and a little Santa that you can make for your house. Join us tomorrow on Thursday for story time here at the library. We're doing a special Christmas story time at 10:30. And after Christmas, we have some fantastic activities here at the library. You can check out our website and our Facebook page to see what's happening. We'll have a comic book craft kit available in the first week of January, and there's going to be a little bit of a competition in there as well, so make sure to check that out. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye!